How to reset Binance Two-Factor Authentication Google Authenticator. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Binance Two-Factor Authentication on Google Authenticator. To reset your Binance Two-Factor Authentication, first of all, open your Binance application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, here tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner. Once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here tap on your profile name on the very top. Once you tap on it, now here you will be able to see this security option. Go ahead and tap on security. Here you will be able to see Authenticator app option. Tap on this option. And inside it, here if you have added Authenticator previously, you will see this option. At the right side of this Authenticator app, you will be able to see the pencil icon. Tap on this icon and at the bottom you will see this pop-up. Here it says, are you sure you would like to change Authenticator app verification or not? You will need to tap on this continue button at the right side. Once doing that, you will reach to this page. Here tap on this copy option at the right side of this key and now open your Authenticator application. Once you open your Authenticator application, once you have opened it, here tap on the plus button at the top right and from this option you need to select other account. Once doing that, at the bottom you will see enter code manually option. Here you will need to paste the copied key and then choose the name for your account. You can add Binance as the account name. Once you have done that, tap on this finish button. And once you have added this account, now tap on this account and there you will see the one-time passcode. You can copy this passcode and return back to your Binance page. Here tap on this next button at the bottom and here enter the code from your Authenticator app. Once you have entered it, now tap on this submit button and after that you will see you have successfully reset Binance Two-Factor Authentication using Google Authenticator. By following these steps, you should be able to reset Binance Two-Factor Authentication. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.